Our topic is watertight security enforcing user roles and permissions for website security. Suppose this is our website. We compare it with a castle. A castle has a large number of employees, which may include guard, knights, and a large number of servants. Each of these persons which are working in the castle are having different roles to play in the castle. The guards have to go around the walls of the castle. The knights have their own roles. Different types of servants. Some may be associated with cleaning the clothes. Some may be involved in providing or cooking food. Some may be serving the food. Each one is having on its own roles to play in a castle. In the same way, in the case of websites, there are large number of users, such as there is a website administrator, and in the same way, there are website editors who are concerned with content management, adding or managing the website content. Then there are technical users who are concerned with the updating the website, and then there are regular users. We are only broadly discussing that in a website there are administrators, and then there are editors and technical users, regular users. A large number of persons are there. So we have to clearly define the roles of different persons. What are their duties? Then we have to specify what are the permissions to each of these. While an administrator can add or remove any user, and it will have just like an administrator in a castle. In case of a castle, it is the king who has the access to view or approach any of the room of the castle. In the same way, in the case of website, administrator has all the access so far as website is concerned. But a website editor or a regular user is not expected to have access to all the site. The technical user is only concerned with the maintenance of the website, maintenance aspect. So we have to clearly define what is the permission granted to a particular user. We should work on the principle of least privilege principle. Least privilege principle means least privilege. Only that level of access should be granted to a user on a website which is desired to perform his role satisfactorily. Minimum level access. We cannot expect that the guard in a castle has the access to that place where valuable items have been kept, because the role of the guard is only to protect the walls of the castle. So we should adopt the principle of least privilege principle. When we adopt regular user roles and permissions strictly, then what happens? We can find out if there is any suspicious activity very quickly. whether a person has exceeded his authority, whether he is trying to make something extra beyond his authority. So in this way, we can find out any suspicious activity on the part of any of the person. It improves the security of our website. Then we should carry out regular reviews. It may be possible that some users have been promoted to some other cadre and we have to revise their authority, and it may be possible that some persons have left the company. We need to remove that users. So with the passage of time, we have to review the authority granted to different users as required on the basis of the current situation. So we should implement the well defined user roles and permissions, and by adopting well defined user roles and permissions, we can keep our website secure and also the data of our users which is lying in the website. And in this way we can develop a sense of confidence, or we can improve the customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.